يسجل زيكو بس.
اوكي راح الانترنت يلا as usual. So limit as x tends to plus infinity and deduce an asymptote. So we replace each x by infinity. It will becomes plus infinity times e to the minus infinity. It will be infinity times 0, which is indeterminate form. So we have to change the form. كيف نغير الفورم؟ ننزل exponential to the denominator. Then it will become limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx equal limit as x tends to plus infinity of 2x plus 6 ننزل ex لتحت بصير ex كان minus x بصير ex. Now we apply Hopital's rule. It will be limit as x tends to plus infinity. Derivative of 2x plus 6 is 2. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So it will be 2 over plus infinity equal to 0. So y equal to 0, or the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote. Any questions about part 1?
No.
No.
يعني هيدا صار مرق كتير يطلع infinity times 0 is indeterminate. We change the form by putting ex in the denominator, then we apply Hopital's rule. جورج كيفك؟
جود أستاذ، أنت كيفك؟
ايش الحال؟ Why you are late?
أستاذ إنترنت كتير بطيء.
Okay.
Yes.
You are in Lebanon.
Yes, of course.
Okay, من ما بلشت هلا بعدنا مبلشين جورج. Did you understand part 1?
Yes.
Okay. Verify that f prime x equals minus 2x plus 2 e to the minus x. Talene, how to calculate the derivative of this expression?
U times V.
Okay, what is u?
2x plus 6.
قديش u prime?
2.
v قد ايه؟ ال v how
E
much?
minus x.
How much is v prime?
Minus E minus x.
Okay, good. So this is fx equals u dot v. F prime x equals u prime dot v plus v prime u. U equal 2x plus 6, then u prime equals 2. V is equal e minus x, v prime is equal minus e minus x. Then you apply the rule f prime x equal u prime, which is 2 times v, e minus x, minus v prime, which is e to the minus x, times u, which is 2x plus 6. Any questions till this step?
No.
We take e to the minus x common. Remains here 2. Pay attention for this minus. We multiply this minus by 2x. It becomes minus 2x. This minus times 6, it becomes minus 6. So we get e to the minus x into minus 2x minus 4 equals minus 2e to the minus x into x plus 2. Which is what's required.
أستاذ
Yes.
فيني شيل common بعدين
كيف يعني
يعني
بعد؟
بعد ما حلها كلها
يعني تعملي expand أول شيء ترجع تاخدي common. Yes, it is the same.
yes okay
You can take the common أول شيء. You can expand then you take the common.
okay
هلا إذا ما انتبهنا هيدا نيجاتيف شو كنا لازم نعمل إذا ما انتبهنا هيدا نيجاتيف؟ How to solve it مثلا؟ شو كان هي الفانكشن؟ minus 2
into x plus 2
is not writing this pen. Okay. Minus 2 into x plus 2 e to the minus x. Suppose in the exam ما انتبهتوا انه negative. شو كنتوا بدكم تعملوا اذا ما انتبهتوا هي negative? You are going to solve f prime x equal to 0. Then what you take f prime x equal to 0, which you take
x plus 2.
X plus 2 equal to 0, or minus 2 into x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0, you get x equal minus 2. إذا ما انتبهتوا but نحن الدومين شو كان عندنا الدومين هو domain of the function
0 plus
0
infinity يعني
plus
rejected.
infinity
0 plus infinity, so it is rejected. So هذا rejected, so we don't have no roots. So we can replace by any number. If we put instead of x, like choose any number between 0 and plus infinity, like 1. If we replace x by 1 here, what you get? You get negative.
Positive.
No, 1 plus 2 is, yes, positive 3 times minus 2 is negative.
اوكي بنعمل times كمان.
Yes, بنعمله times minus 2. في minus 2 هون. Okay. إذا ما انتبهتوا بالإكزام, you have to do the following. So إذا ما انتبهنا إنه هي negative over the domain, you have to solve it equal to 0 and you get a rejected value. Now table of variations, x, you put the domain of definition, 0 plus infinity. F prime x, its sign is negative. Fx, since it is negative, it is decreasing. Now on plus infinity, we get y equal to 0 horizontal asymptote, and f of 0, we replace it in the function, not in the derivative. 0 plus 6 e to the 0, which is equal to 6. We put here 6. Any questions, please?
no
Now, part draw C. How to draw the function? شو لازم نعمل to draw the function first? What are the steps to draw a function?
باخد
Particular
points
بناخد points. في عندنا
maximum. مش maximum from table of variations يعني.
أول شيء في عندنا الهوريزونتال asymptote اللي هو y equal to 0. Okay, the curve starts from the point 0, 6. This is 0, 6. هلا it is better to use your calculators. على ال1 تطلع معنا 2.5 مثلا، على ال1 2.5. at 2 تعطينا 1.3 for example. at 2 1.3. at 3 تعطينا 0.8. at 4 تعطينا 0.3. صار عندي 1 2 3 4 particular points. So the function is decreasing from the point 0.06. ما مطولة من فوق. It is not correct. It starts from this point. It decreases near the horizontal asymptote. But then it is better to take particular points in order to draw any curve. Any questions? Can we start with another part? Did you draw?
No. Yes.
So no, yes.
معنا سؤال ورسمنا.
Okay. Part 4 about بس كيف how to prove that the derivative of this expression equal that expression. بس هيدا idea هون. ليكون هيدا anti derivative لازم هيدا derivative لهيدا الفانكشن يطلع مثل هيدا. نعرف نلاقي الديريفاتيف يس. لازم يطلع derivative لهيدا equal to this one. كيف بنجيب الديريفاتيف لهيدا الفانكشن؟ بس هيدا not required على كل حال. About the area.
بعمل U dot V.
Now B, part B, the economic part. A company produces batteries. The demand is given by Fx. So Fx is the demand here, expressed in thousands of batteries. The test, it is better to put a line under the unit to remember the unit. Thousands of batteries. Well, X is the price expressed in thousands of Lebanese lira. Well, X he expressed in thousands of Lebanese lira. X is between 0.1 and 4. It is very important, this one. Expressed in thousands of Lebanese lira. What is the demand? What is the demand if the price is 1,000 Lebanese lira? هلا ال 1000 ما بتشتري شيء. هيدا ال 1000 لبنانيز ليرة كانت تشتري باتري. هلا ما عادش تشتري ولا شيء. هيدا ال 1000 لبنانيز ليرة. Okay. How to calculate the demand corresponding to a price of 1000? شو بنعمل؟
1000 over 1000 يعطي 1. بنحط ب Fx1 يعني F1.
F of 1. So price equal 1000. The price is X. X equal 1000 over 1000 equal 1. F of 1 equals 2.943. I take, since the unit is thousands, I take 3 digits after the decimal, 2.943 thousands of batteries. So for a price of 1000 Lebanese lira, the corresponding demand is 2,943 batteries. To part A, calculate the elasticity EX of the demand. Talene, what's the rule for elasticity?
ما بتذكر.
مريان ذاكرينا بالرول تبع الالاستيسيتي.
minus x
Minus
times
x times f prime x over x.
over
fx.
over f.
fx, sorry.
fx.
The elasticity, Talene, is equal minus x times derivative of the demand over demand. This is the orange. Elasticity equal minus x times f prime x over fx, since the demand is fx. Minus x. f prime, نحن لقينا f prime قبل هو minus 2e to the x into x plus 2. يعني حتى لو مش حلينه قبل نحن we can use the result. يعني بالexam suppose that it is difficult to calculate f prime x and you are given the answer, you can write the answer over fx. This is fx. 2x plus 6 e to the minus x. E to the minus x and e to the minus x, since it is of the form of a product, we can simplify. Then we get minus x times 2 is 2x into x plus 2. We expand, or we can take 2 common. Not necessary, but if we take 2 common in the denominator, it's here 2 into x plus 3. 2 and 2 simplified. This 2 and that 2. We expand x times x, x squared plus 2x over x plus 3. This is the elasticity.
Okay.
تالين حفظت الرول تبع elasticity?
No.
It is equal, memorize it, minus x times derivative للديماند over demand.
Okay.
اوكي ما عندها مش كبيرة هيدا الرول. George, are you writing? No. B. Calculate the unit price. Calculate the unit price. يعني what hour do we need to calculate? شو الunit price يعني؟ مين unit price? Unit price is x. Okay, we need to calculate x for which the elasticity is equal to 1. So we need to calculate the unit price for which the elasticity EX equal 1. So EX equals 1. EX is determined in the previous part as x squared plus 2x over x plus 3 equals 1. Cross multiplying, we get x squared plus 2x equal x plus 3. Then x squared plus 2x. I bring all them to one side, minus x minus 3 equal to 0. So x squared, 2x minus x is x, minus 3 equal to 0. Second degree equation by using the calculator. I hope كلكم تعرفوا تستخدموا الكالكوليتر. X equal 1.
Yes.
X equal 1.302. X double prime equal minus 2.3. أكيد هيدا rejected. The price cannot be negative. هيدا accepted. So for a unit elasticity, is the elasticity equal 1? The price is 1,302 Lebanese lira. Any questions about the calculations?
أستاذ
Yes.
بأي part بنعمل replace EX a number؟
إذا قايل لك calculate E of 2 مثلا calculate E of 3 وبيسألك بعدها
أوكي.
is the demand elastic أو give an economical interpretation. أوكي؟
أوكي.
Part 3. Justify that the revenue Rx is given by this function. George, what is the rule for the revenue?
Price over unit price.
No, غيره. هون ما عندي price over unit price. ما عندي غيره. غير rank.
Demand times price.
Okay. Another rule for the revenue. دي correct George بس ما بتزبط بهذا الاكسرسايز. Revenue as Vanna said is equal the price times demand. Revenue equal quantity demanded times price. Quantity demanded is Fx, the price is X. This is the demanded function, this is Fx times X. هذا الX بعمل له expand بيصير عندي 2x squared plus 6x times e to the minus x. So once again, revenue هو demand times the price. The following table represents the variations of R. Complete the table and calculate the maximum revenue. What's meant by شو معناتها complete the table؟ يعني شو بنحط له هيدا التيبل بعد؟
بنحط ب R 0.1.
Yes. نحط بالR 0.1 وبالR 1.303 وبالR بنحط 4. So to complete this table, على 0.1 بيعطيني 0.560 على 1.303 بيعطيني 3.046 و at 4 we will get 1.025. يعني هيدا لازم واحد بيلعب بالامتحان ياخذ كل العلامه ما في شيء انه بس just using the calculator. How many batteries how many demanded batteries correspond to this maximum revenue? How many demanded batteries correspond to this maximum revenue? شو بنعمل هون؟
بنحط محل X 1.303
Where?
RX.
No, ما بده الريفينيو هو. How many demanded؟
اوكي.
وين نعمل له replace؟ بدنا نلاقي الديماند. مين هو الديماند؟ مين هو الديماند؟
FX.
Fx. So X equal 1.303 thousands of Lebanese lira. To calculate the demand, يعني D of 1.30 يعني هو F of 1.303 equal 2.338 thousands of batteries. Okay, so if the factory produce 2,338 batteries, then the revenue is maximum. Any questions, please?
No.
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 Okay.
No, sir.
For tomorrow, please prepare 2012.
Okay.
The first chance. Yalla. See you safe.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Bye.